Welcome to another episode of the Nutty English Quiz Show, the Dial-In Quiz Program. Our three contestants today are D'Souza, Vijay and Wasim. Say hello, contestants. Hello. Hello. You know the rules. Press hash if you know the answer. Fastest presser first. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the longest word you can spell without repeating a letter? Sorry, too late. It's uncopyrightable. And now for the next question. Listen carefully. Which is the only English word with 5 vowels in a row? What? Can't hear you. Beep. Sorry, time's up. The answer is queuing. Q-U-E-U-E-I-N-G. And now for the last question. What is the most commonly occurring letter in the English language? E. Oops! All three pressers pressed hash at exactly the same moment, so I'm afraid all three of you are disqualified. The correct answer, of course, is E. That brings us to the end of this episode of the Nutty English Quiz Show. The final score? Contestant 0, Quizmaster 3. That's me. Try not to be bad losers. From me, the English Nut, it's bye for now.